Because of the heavy rain, many towns in central Taiwan have experienced serious flooding over the past 2 days. Damaged by floods, many houses needed to be rebuilt. Mrs. Wong, with her eyes filled with tears, shared her feelings with us. She said, "It is really tough. I wish that the flood didn't come. I lost everything in the 9/21 earthquake. Now it happened again. If I had watched the news, I could have packed up my belongings and left the house in time. Then I might have been able to save more of my possessions." Fortunately, besides Mrs. Wong, her 3 children, all of whom are teenagers, survived the flood. Mrs. Wong is very thankful for this because she believes that nothing is as important as her family. This is a news interview with Mrs. Wong, who is a victim of the recent flood. Floods and earthquakes are 2 of the most common natural disasters in Taiwan. As a result, it is necessary for people to learn how to deal with the emergencies caused by natural disasters. Some steps can be taken in advance to avoid the danger of floods. First of all, if you live in low-lying areas, you need to keep up to date with the news. To keep your property safe, you can move the furniture and household appliances to a higher floor of the house. Once a flood warning has been issued, you should take shelter at once. Even after a flood has ended, threats can still exist. Bear in mind that anything coming into contact with floodwaters can be contaminated. Thus, you must clean every household item carefully to avoid being exposed to any infection. What's more, you should only drink boiled or bottled water at all times. As for earthquakes, it is harder to take precautions because they are unpredictable. Thus, it is crucial to react correctly. When an earthquake hits, protect yourself by dropping down onto your hands and knees immediately. Take cover under a sturdy table to protect yourself from falling objects if you are indoors. Hold on to your shelter until the shaking stops. More quakes can follow after the first earthquake. If you are inside a building, go outside to an open space as quickly as you can. Then you should keep away from buildings and power lines that may fall down during an earthquake. In addition, you should prepare a survival kit. This kit should contain food, water, and first aid supplies that can help you survive. Be aware that you have to change the supplies in this kit on a regular basis. Every so often, natural disasters do occur. Therefore, it is important to learn more about disaster prevention. By staying alert and making the proper preparations, you may be able to survive a natural disaster safe and sound.